This is my dance. My dance, my dance.
My voice! What happened to it?
You can't sing anymore. Now your voice belongs to me. Oh, such a lovely voice. Too bad no one will hear it again.
Give me back my voice! You mean...
Bye, Rumi.
That's it! You're finished, demon!
Not so fast, sweetheart. The floor is ramen. Brilliant idea, right? Say goodbye to your voice.
You don't know who you're messing with!
What are you gonna do, loser?
Oh. Look! Lucky you picked my favorite noodles! I love them!
Oops, I didn't see that coming.
Thanks! I'm full. Now I'll beat you!
I don't think so. I'll stop you.
Oh, wait a second!
Okay.
The noodles were too spicy!
Oops. Wow, almost dropped it.
Oops, sorry. Let's go!
Try to catch me if you can.
She's catching up!
Stop, wait! I have a cool game.
Huh? What's that?
To catch me, you have to beat this level. Good luck.
No! Okay, pull it together, Rumi. I just need to get 3 blocks in a row. I can do it! Oh, green! Got it! Yes. Let's go! I need purple. Nice! Just 1 block left. Okay, I need green. But where do I get it? There's no green here. Oh, I got it! I'll just make this block green myself. Done. How's that? Oh yes, I passed the level. The chase continues. Where are you, sneaky demon?
Ooh, look what I have here. A whole lake of soda pop. You can't swim across it.
Holy soda! Bubbles everywhere! Is that an inflatable ring? It's flat! Fine, I'll find another way. If you multiply gravity by the flight trajectory, divide by air pressure, and add the circle radius, you can jump like this, then like that, and land here. Give me back my voice.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay. Oops, I don't know where it is.
Oh, great track. Ew, don't touch me.
There it is. Tiger. That's who we need.
Give me back the voice. You can't catch me.
Ah!
The chase didn't go as planned. Let me catch my breath. Let's go on. Where is he?
I don't know.
I have an idea. All cats are the same. Laser? I'm not falling for that.
Wow.
Let's see how you like this. Tasty fish.
Fish? Nom 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 nom.
Swap. Thank you.
What? My voice!
It's safely hidden again.
Wait. Okay, kitty. I gotta go. Bye. Jinyu, I'm coming. Stop! Give me back my voice.
Let go of my foot.
I won't let go. Not until you give me my voice.
Fine, keep the boot then. Surprise.
What? Ah! Tickles!
So funny. Okay, have fun here. Boot, come with me.
That's enough! Good game! Bye-bye, buddy! Bye! I gotta go. Where is it?
This is real. Every step.
Wanna sing? Oh, you can't, poor thing. I have your voice.
That won't last long. I'll take my voice back.
Oops, forgot to mention, I control gravity.
What? Hey, put me back on the ground!
As you wish. This is so much fun.
Okay, that's enough.
Oops, my button.
You're finished, demon.
No. Bye, Rumi.
No way! I'm crawling after you, Jinyu. What's this? No!
What?
Wow, so many fidget toys. I love them all. Ooh, so soft.
Yes, my fidget toy plan worked. This'll stall you for an hour. Bye.
What? No! I can still catch you. Where is he?
I'm here, waiting for you. Oops, there's a gap between us. Loser, you won't be able to sing anymore because I'll drink your lovely voice. Delicious.
Don't get too happy, demon. Watch what I can do.
Yes.
I'll jump over the gap. Hey, you!
Oops.
That's mine!
No!
Bye! Okay, my voice is with me again. Bye, demon!
Bird, carry me! Woohoo! Great. Thanks, I'm free. I'm coming after you, Rumi.
I'm an expert climber. Oh, demon! Hi! Good luck getting down.
Oh no. Oh, this is even fun.
Great! Oh no, I totally forgot! Okay, I'll try to deactivate it. Perfect!
Oh.
What?
Peekaboo, I'll take your voice back.
Don't rush, demon! Bird, enjoy your snack! Tasty!
Oh.
Bye! Perfect!
Rumi! Great plan, Birdie. Thanks. That button will come in handy for me later.
Great! Time to get my voice back. I can't open it! Hey, hi! Can you help me open this can? Please?
I can't do it.
Me either! Okay, I'll move on.
Stop.
Of course! Time to play a game. Rock, paper, scissors! I won! Thanks!
There she is. And what do you want?
Let's play a game.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3.
I won.
Again. 1, 2, 3.
I won again.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna tickle you.
Stop! I'm ticklish. Let me through.
Soda? Great! We've done this before. Oh, and there's the demon!
I'll get you.
Hi! You won't get away! Have a nice day!
All the bubbles popped. Okay. I'll drink all the soda. Ooh, I'm all soda pop now. Yummy. Ooh, another can. I can't pass it by. My precious. Okay, I'm done here. Moving on.
How do I open this can? Still isn't working. Oh no!
I'm right behind you, Hunter.
Oops!
Ah!
Sorry, it was an accident.
Thanks, Rumi.
How do I pass this press?
It'll crush me. Oh, got an idea. Yes, the hat is a demon's best support. Oh no! My poor hat got flattened. Poor thing. I still won't leave you. You'll pay for that, Rumi.
Oops, my can! Okay, kitty.
What a can!
Hey, kitty, hi! Will you give me the can?
No.
What can I offer? Oh, I have an idea! Want a ball of yarn? Nope. I won't give up that easily. Want a tasty fish? No. What should I come up with? Ooh, got it! I'll swap it for another can. Voila! And nobody noticed. My can! Good kitty. Great job.
Oh, there's the voice. Can I take this can?
No, if you want the can, win it in a dance battle.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
First round.
Wow, easy, watch this. Ta-da! How was it?
Seriously? Even trees dance better. Fine, I'm tired of this can anyway. You can take it.
What? That's not the right can. Ugh!
Phew! Nobody here. How do I open this can? Wow! Rumi! I'm your biggest fan! Can I have your autograph? Now's not the best time. Oh, but I have a better idea. I'll give you my jacket. Wow! Rumi's jacket! My dream come true! It suits you! Thanks so much! Bye! Now I truly look like Rumi!
Rumi, what do you think you're doing?
Hi! How's it going?
Not so great for you.
Oh no! Time to run!
I'm coming after you.
Do you like the video? Like it, write a comment, and click on the bell to stay updated.